Bonjour à tous. In this video, I'm going to share a part of my French learning journey. In the previous video, we discussed how to introduce ourselves in French. The main point is when we introduce ourselves, we usually begin by stating our name. In English, we would usually say, "My name is Dion." Here, the word "my" is a possessive adjective that shows ownership. The name belongs to me. But that is not the real point. If we break down the words and attempt to translate them literally, it could be confusing. My means mon in French. This is a possessive adjective in French. And then name means nom in French. And this one is a noun. So you might picture something like mon nom Dion, but that is weird in French. The structure is actually different. Instead, French speakers almost always say "Je m'appelle Dion." M'appelle comes from the verb s'appeler, a reflexive verb that literally means to call oneself. So, "Je m'appelle Dion" translates more directly as "I call myself Dion." That's why the structure appears different from English. So, whenever you introduce yourself in French, just remember the natural way to say it is "Je m'appelle" plus your name. Now, you might also wonder about the verb to be in French, which is être. For example, in English, we can say "I am Dion." In French, this becomes "Je suis Dion." Here, suis is the first person singular form of être or to be. So, "Je suis Dion" literally means "I am Dion." Both expressions are correct. "Je m'appelle Dion," the most common and natural way to introduce yourself. "Je suis Dion" also correct, but feels more direct, like stating a fact. For example, in real context, when meeting someone for the first time, you would normally say "Bonjour, je m'appelle Dion." But if someone asks you "Qui est?" or "Who is this?" you can reply "Je suis Dion." So that's the basic structure of introducing yourself in French. Now, over to you. Try saying your name in French in the comments below.